afternoon, everyone. Hi there. Welcome to the third and final track of Lark's New Normal Business Council and Mentorship Program webinar series. That's right. I'm James Deakin, and it's my absolute pleasure to be your host for today. This afternoon, we'll be learning a lot more about innovating with technology from three awesome experts who have learned how to harness the power of technology in their careers as well as their personal lives. Now, let me introduce to you our speakers for this learning session. Thank you also to all our partners for all the support from the launch to the three webinar tracks. And thank you, Lark, for this initiative.
A lot of our organizations are facing lots of challenge getting employees' productivity. This information came from the McKinsey Global Institute. Right, productivity actually can be improved by between 20 to 25% through the connectivity of employees.
Here's one question for Mr. Andeed Ma.
Sure.
What are ways we can personalize our virtual workspace experience using Lark? That comes from Glee from CNN Philippines. CNN, you rock.
Yeah, so I guess it really helps if you remember my very first slide. It will really help you if you define where are you right now, because every organizations are different. Every organization has different maturity. Right? If you are already in a space where your company is adopting technologies, has gone virtual, right? I would say that the virtual workplace is Lark. It has everything from the way you're going to communicate with your journalists on the ground. Your journalists will be replying back to you on your mobile phone, right? From the way you're going to write a transcript using the doc, and immediately get a command through a video conferencing environment like this. Lark has it all.
Sharing is critical because it's like a passage for new employees. When they go through it, they learn what are the skill sets that are needed. And at the same time, you're able to constantly update the skill sets of everybody in the team. So what we usually in the different companies that I manage is we have sessions like this, exactly what we're doing right now, and then we do regular updating of different digital skill sets.
From ANC has this question, and again, I know you touched on it, but maybe she didn't get to that part. It's a very good question. Are there new metrics or tools that can be used to measure employee engagement aside from the traditional ones like surveys and feedback forms?
Well, you have to attach it kasi to the KPIs of the particular person. I'm not a fan of measuring, kunyari, some companies kasi they measure on screen time. As in, they actually have like a widget that monitors how long the person is working in front of his or her screen. But ako kasi I'd rather measure output.
If you have any questions related to today's topics, again, please send them via our comment box in this live stream as Glee and other people have been sending through. Just type in your name, the company you represent, and your question. And just like the ones that we've read out, we'll also read yours out as well. Please also include the official hashtags Ready with Lark and Lark Suite to help spread the word for this very meaningful campaign. When the president came out, had to announce the lockdown, the whole world, nobody was prepared with this. Now, in one way, you can look at it as, yes, the rug was totally pulled from underneath me. 40 to 60% of my income vanished like that. The other side of it was you now enter a very level playing field. Now, this creates opportunity for people. And what technology has done for me and for everybody else that has learned to use it properly is it's democratized the opportunities. No longer do you have the same gatekeepers. I mean, I work for a big network as well, but all of a sudden I had to become my own network. And I did that in a quick pivot. We have a question here from the Inquirer. Let me just scroll back down, see if I missed a few more. Okay, so that's from Carlo Ople. Here we go. From Winky Olarte from Inquirer. How do you define new work normal leadership? Just like Carlo mentioned, I think it's about creating these digital teams together and being able to have this. You have to lead by example. That was another piece of solid advice that he gave that I would like to reinforce. When you lead by example, like you use the technology, you can't just tell your team, okay, you guys work out this Lark thing and just let me know how it works. No, you as the leader should take the lead in this, learn it, show people how easy it is. And I'd like to thank everyone who shared their time with us for the past three tracks, our participants, our partner organizations and associations, our resource speakers, of course, our Lark representatives, and of course, you, our media partners who have been very, very active with this. We really thank you for your support. We hope that through this campaign, you're all able to gain some new knowledge and insights to help you and your company prepare for 2021. So thank you and best luck to all of you. My name is James Deakin. It's been my absolute pleasure being your host and your speaker for today. Guys, keep safe. Enjoy the rest of your day. And please do visit the Lark social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn for more exciting news and announcements. With that, I wish you well. Goodbye. Stay safe and stay productive.